So what's happening?
Okay, so faux beat, body makeup on top, after, before. Okay.
Okay.
You can come over here too, so you can see. You ready?
Yeah, I'm so excited.
Here we go. Okay, so so we start from here up the neck so we can match our foundation to the body makeup. And then when we're done, we put it everywhere. There's applicators to do it, but we just like doing it with our hands. I feel like it's easier.
She has to focus.
Yeah, I have to focus.
That's actually really interesting that you say that. I don't think we've ever used an app. We can't. You got us an applicator once, right?
Yeah, maybe we should use it. It's okay.
Yeah, let's try that. But
Okay.
like right, we're done. But let's try using the applicator for like everything else.
Well, make sure you fix your jawline. I mean, she's gonna put makeup on it, but like back here too, Bob.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow.
It's better than before.
Yeah, well, look at your hands. Okay, see, that's why. And then afterwards, wash your hands for sure. Yeah. So you don't get it on your clothes.
Okay.
But this is legit. This is Westmore Beauty. This is legit.
Okay.
Look amazing.
Let's party.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Kim.
No pony. Pony.